Hello everyone, welcome to Gruhinis world. Today I am coming up with quick and easy Ulavacharu or horse gram soup, which is little different from our traditional Ulavacharu, making it more delicious. This improvised version of Ulavacharu is so tasty that even people who don't like Ulavacharu or horse gram soup will love this wonderful dish. So let's not waste our time and get started. Friends, this wonderful Ulavacharu or horse gram soup is very beneficial for our overall health and also very delicious to eat with rice or can also be served as hot soup. If you try my way of making this Ulavacharu, don't forget to share your valuable feedback with me in the comment section below. Also, like and subscribe Gruhinis World. Thanks for watching.